Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact phone model and whether it runs Android or iOS, because the recovery path differs. Once done, make sure the battery is at least 20% and you have Wi-Fi or mobile data active. You will need account access. If you remember your Google or Apple credentials, keep them handy. Start the process now. This prevents surprises during account verification and avoids mid-procedure failures that force a full factory reset later. You follow platform-specific recovery. On Android, tap the Forgot pattern prompt and sign in with your Google account, or go to Find My Device on a browser and select Lock or Erase as needed. On iPhone, use Face ID/Touch ID fallback, then sign into iCloud, find my iPhone to erase or unlock via Apple ID. If those fail, make sure to download the manufacturer's recovery tool or boot into recovery mode to perform a control. You finish by performing the final sign-in. After any reset, use the original Google or Apple ID to pass factory reset protection or activation lock, because these systems verify ownership. Once signed in, restore from your cloud or local backup to recover apps and data. If the lock still blocks you, stop and gather proof of purchase, then contact the carrier or manufacturer for assisted unlocking. One troubleshooting tip: keep screenshots or serial numbers handy. They speed verification and reduce back and forth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.